This is the 70mai A810, and honestly, it might be one of the smartest dash cams you can buy right now without completely destroying your wallet. But here's the thing. The ads focus heavily on the flashy AI features and 4K recording. After spending real time with it, day driving, night driving, parking lots, highway commutes, I found that the biggest reason to buy this camera actually has nothing to do with the resolution. And if you're wondering whether this thing is actually worth your hard-earned cash compared to brands like Garmin or Vantrue, yeah, we need to talk about that. 70mai A810 product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The 70mai A810 is a premium 4K dash cam from the Chinese tech brand 70mai, which is part of the Xiaomi ecosystem. It launched as a higher-end follow-up to some of the company's insanely popular budget cameras, and this one is aimed squarely at drivers who want sharper footage, smarter safety tools, and better nighttime performance without spending Blackview money. The headline feature is the 4K recording paired with a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which is kind of a big deal in the dashcam world. Why? Because most dashcams still struggle badly at night. This one tries to fix that. It also packs in GPS tracking, AI-assisted driver alerts, parking surveillance, app connectivity, and optional rear camera support. Depending on the bundle, you're typically looking at a price somewhere around the mid to upper $100 range, which puts it in direct competition with some seriously established brands.
70mai A810 performance. The first thing you notice is the video clarity. During daytime driving, footage looks incredibly sharp, and license plates are readable much more consistently than cheaper 1080p cams. Even at highway speeds, details stay surprisingly clean. But the real magic happens at night. Most dash cams turn nighttime footage into a blurry mess with smeared headlights and crushed shadows. The 70mai A810 does a noticeably better job balancing bright lights and darker roads. Street signs remain visible, and plate readability improves a lot compared to older sensors. Now, is it perfect? No. If a car flies past you at 70 miles per hour in near total darkness, physics is still physics. But for typical city driving and suburban roads, this thing performs way above what you'd expect at this price. And I also appreciated how stable the app experience was. Dashcam apps are usually terrible, like genuinely painful to use. But the 70mai app connects fairly quickly, lets you pull clips without too much drama, and makes setup pretty painless.
Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter day to day. First up is the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor. That sounds super technical, but here's why you should care. It dramatically improves low-light visibility. So if someone hits your car at night or something happens on a dark road, there's a much better chance the footage is usable. Second is the built-in GPS. This records your speed and route data directly into the footage. That can be incredibly useful during insurance disputes because it adds context to exactly where and when an incident happened. Then there's parking surveillance. If you hardwire the camera, it can monitor your car while parked and automatically save footage if it detects impacts or suspicious movement. For people living in crowded cities or apartment complexes, that's honestly one of the most valuable features here. And finally, the app integration is actually decent. You can quickly download clips to your phone instead of pulling the SD card every single time, which sounds minor until you've dealt with older dashcams.
Design and build.
Aesthetically, 70mai did a solid job here. The 70mai A710 has a clean, modern design that doesn't scream cheap gadget hanging from your windshield. It's compact enough to sit discreetly behind your rearview mirror, and once installed, you barely notice it. The build quality feels surprisingly premium for the price. The matte finish helps avoid fingerprints, and the mounting system feels secure even on rough roads. Installation is fairly straightforward too, although cable management still takes patience like any dashcam setup. If you add the rear camera and parking mode wiring, expect to spend some time routing cables cleanly.
Pros. Reliable app connectivity and fast clip transfers. Compact design that blends into the car interior. Great value compared to premium competitors. Cons. Small display isn't ideal for reviewing footage. Parking mode requires extra hardwiring accessories. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Honestly, if you're someone who drives daily, commutes long distances, parks in busy areas, or just wants peace of mind on the road, the 70mai A710 makes a really strong case for itself. The biggest win here isn't just the sharp 4K footage. It's the combination of strong night performance, dependable recording, and smart features that actually feel useful instead of gimmicky. Now, if you're a rideshare driver, road tripper, or someone constantly driving at night, this becomes an even easier recommendation. But if you only drive occasionally and just want the cheapest possible camera